In 1935, the Allegheny Ludlum Company wanted basically rolling billboards to demonstrate the benefits of stainless steel. So they commissioned the Ford Motor Company to make 6 Fords with stainless steel bodies. They cooperated and made these 6 when they were right at the end of the 1936 model year. So these were the last 6 made. They had to come up with special forming and welding processes to make these. So there was a lot of work to produce these, and the company used these for several years afterwards, putting their sales force in them to drive around the country and showed the benefits of stainless steel. And because of the stainless steel construction, it's beautiful here today.